Greetings, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, and hello, ngiyabulisa on all my social media platforms. This Dr. Uti, ikhehla lamakehla, the oracle of God. Ngisebenza abantu ngendlela yomuthi ngoba umuthi ngufundele. Ungangibeki on a category noma on a level ezangoma, on a level einyanga, on a level of prophet because of mina ngumuntu yokuthi aba prophet ngiyabakhanda. Inyanga ngiyazikhanda. Umuntu othi mina ngumuntu kamoya ngiyamkhanda. Mina ngumuntu njalo. Mina umuntu kamoya ngiyamenza ukuthi umuntu kamoya aphakame avele nje kubindubandumana impilo yakhe ishintshe ayenze imanga phezu komhlaba losiphila kuwona. Mamela ngwaneso, indaba namhlanje isekutheni I want to talk about wena umuntu othi I'm suffering. You know, I'm suffering. Ngibona nna ke suffer. Dr. Uti, this is not me. The way things are, this is not me. Ona sinna. Khetla mtho jwalo. Dr. Uti, this is not me. This is not me. Akusiyimi lo. Akusiyimi lo. Akusiyimi lo. Batla ngikuthi ngwaneso. I'm talking about someone oyebuthi uthi mina ngibe nemali. But today angina nix. Dr. Uti, mina ngaphila impilo ukuthi I saw my life ukuthi ngiyaphambili ngempilo. Mina ngizoba nemali. Mina I will do it in this life. In this life ngizoyenza imali ngizophakama ngizophumelela. But namhlanje akusena lutho. I've lost my cars, my houses, my businesses. Today I'm suffering from depression, anxiety. Today I'm suffering, really suffering from izinto yokuthi ziyathusa futhi ziyamangasa. I'm talking about umuntu othi this is not me. Hasinna ona. Akusimina lo. Ke ra hore mutroki asinna. Ga isinna o ke agana. Kuba ngumuntu othi kuna la ngiphazamiswe khona. Kuna la impilo amphazamiseke khona. Awungikuhlori ke ring. Kuna la ngiphazamiseke khona. Ngikuma nomuntu othi mina ngempela lo akusimina lo. Lo akusimina ngiyahlupheka. There is something ukuthi umuntu uyenzile kumina. This is my topic today. This is not me, Dr. Uti. This is not me. Anxiety, depression, poverty. I even feel like killing myself. Khona umuntu njalo. Ngibuyele umuntu no khona umuntu ofila kungathi ngafa. Kungathi ngavele nje kuphele ngami. Ngathi ngafa. Dr. Uti, this is not me. I don't know what happened. Mina emsebenzini, I could stop working there. I could just resign. But tomorrow you'll crash somewhere. I could just stop today emsebenzi. Kusasa crash somewhere. I know big people in this life. I know abantu abaphilayo. I know abantu abanemali. I know abantu abangifaya intweni. But ayikho into enzakalayo. Dr. Uti, this is not me. Impilo baka biyahana. Impilo yami iyala. Ngibuyele motho today. Bakwenze ini? Bakwenzeni? Bawuyenzeni? Bawuyenzeni? Bawudile ngabotsebotse. Bawudirile eng? Bakwenzeni? Yilenze kwena. That's where you need to start. Uzibheke, uzihlolisise ukuthi there is something wrong ngami. I just want to remind you today. Would you remember ukuthi you were able to support your family? Do you remember ukuthi you were able to even take your siblings to school? Do you remember ukuthi bekuwena ekhaya obekwazi ukuthi izinto ziyenzeke? Do you remember ukuthi ekhaya bathatha wena bakuyisa esikoleni bathi sithembele ukuthi impilo yakhe izoba impilo yakhe asoshintsha because of this child? Do you remember ukuthi you used to have serious business ideas? No, I'm asking you. Do you remember ukuthi you used to have this thing in your mind that when you'll have money, when you'll make it? But today, Uduma Israel, today, shinchile. Today, shinchile, kunzima. Today, shinchile, kunzima. Bawuyenzeni? Bakwenzeni? Bakwenzeni? Number one, you lose your wife. Lose your job. Lose your cars. Your house are being repossessed. You can't cater for yourself. You can't cater for your family. You can't cater for anyone. Yonke into wena uyahluleka. Yonke into ebambayo iyafeyila. Yonke into ebambayo iyamosheka. Yonke into ebambayo ayilungi. anything oyithintayo ayilungi, awuna nto elukanga. Akunanto elungayo, akunanto elungayo. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Ku-TikTok live, baby girl, uti, it's me, Dr. Uti, but after the encounter with you, I slept like a baby. Nkosi yami siyabonga. Modimo hlonlo fatshe. Into zakho zilunge zivuleke more. You know these kind of things, ngwaneso, you must really pay attention kuzo. Ngoba ukuphela kwendlu yakho, udliwe indlu, udlela umfazi, udlela imoto, udlela ama businesses. Jikijiki kuyofa wena. Jikijiki kuyofa wena. Manje kuyo repossess impilo yakho. Your life will now be repossessed. Akidlaleka wena kibona nita mudimi. Your life. Mina I know ukuthi yebo empilweni kuba nzima. Empilweni kuba nzima. I'm talking to you. Muntu ongibhekisa emakhaya. I know ukuthi empilweni kube nzima, but mamele. Have this thing in your mind ukuthi this is not my life, this is not me. Hasin nao. Hawatama ke phile bophelo bo. Hasin nao. Hawatama ke phile bophelo bo. Hasin nao. This is not me. This is not me. Aksimina lo. Ungavumi ngawe. Yabona by the day uzovuma ngawe. Hey. By the day uzovuma ngawe. I'm telling you. I'm seriously telling you an honest truth. The day uzovuma ngempilo yakho. The day uzo accept poverty, uyenze umngani wakho. That's the day impilo yakho izabe sekuphelile ngawe. Do not accept poverty. Do not accept the spirit of poverty. Do not expect the spirit of delay. Today as ngila, I'm praying, ngiyakhulekela. Njengoba ngikhuluma kwi-image ngiyakhulekela. I prophesy over your life. Do not accept the spirit of delay. Usikabadumela moya wa delay, moya wa uhlulwa, moya wa hlupheko, moya wa uyimelwa, moya wa usikhoni. Today ezingila ngiyakhulekela. Usikabadumela moya wa hlupheko, usikabadumela moya wa uhlulwa, usikabadumela moya wa wena uphilo bawo you can't do it. Ungayivumi lento. Yabona once wavuma lokho. Ngutshela iqiniso. You would have really made the serious 100% mistake of your life, of which no one will be even able to help you. Poverty sikabayidumela. Ungayivumeli poverty izobumngani wakho ever. I-poverty awuyivumeli. I-poverty awuyivumi. I-poverty uyayala. You denounce the spirit of poverty. Awuyidumeli. Yes, I know. Ukuluza imoto. Kunzima. You have lost something big. Ukuluza indlu. Yebo kunzima. I do agree. You have lost something big. But do not allow yourself to be under the abuse of alcohol, under the abuse of drugs, just because of wena ulahlekelwe imoto noma ulahlekelwe umuzi noma ulahlekelwe umsebenzi. Usikabadumela. Umungavuma ngawe, I'm telling you. I'm here. Good Dr. Uti. Nginebhavu la ekhaya nginalo. Nginebhavu enginalo la ekhaya. Nginebhavu lokukhipha amakhesi. Nginebhavu lokukhipha amakhesi nama obstacles. Leli bhavu libiza imali engange 2.5. Uyafikela yakhe ufuna ungena ibhavu uhlanjulule just 2.5. Uhlanjulule sikhiphe yonke into yokuthi amakhesi, sikhiphe yonke into yokuthi ime kuwe, sikhiphe yonke into yokuthi ihleli kuwe. Mramotsa mai. Uhambe uyokhanda umnotho for ingane zakho. Uhambe uyokhanda impilo for abantu bakini. But this video, it is only for a person who says, this is not me. This is not me. I know my capabilities. I know I can make it. I know ukuthi konto engayenza. Gona le ntwe ngaidiang gore o bonagale. Nna ke go ra gore go ka direga sengwe. Ga nga simula ka ema ka dinao. Sometimes you say to you, this is not you. This is not you. I know you can make it. I know you can make it. Your businesses, you can make it. At home, you can make it. For your family, you can make it. Denounce the spirit of poverty. Denounce the spirit of delay. Denounce the devil's spirit of which is keeping you stagnant on one place. Huh? You are just here when I move. You are just here. You are no, you kore ka rona tse o pholo, e ka ro palo, e ka ro palo. O yeme pleke e one. Ha re tsebe hore o dutse, o ya morao kapa wa nyela, kapa o ya pele, kapa wa church. Ha re tsebe. Kore ka go motho a dutseng fela nyela fela ka toilet. Ha re tsebe o ya kae. Huh? Denounce that spirit today. Denounce that spirit today. And tell yourself, this is not me. Hasinna. This thing ukuthi mina ngabe ngiyokomasho kisipile ke mashonisa. Kitsame ke mashonisa. Huh? Kitsame ke mashonisa. This is not me. Haswena. Wena mnyaka onosatse mnyaka mashonisa. Today sekuwena go mashonisa bonke. This is not you. Skadimela ntwe you. This is Dr. Uti. Ibhavu loklina nje amakhesi nezinyama 2.5 la ekhaya sikhona Monday to Saturday 180 ENM Road Mondio Johannesburg. Siyabonga.